Hi guys. So in all my videos, I talk about the importance of minimizing the amount of toxins that you're taking in through your skin, through your hair, your environment, your food, specifically your food. And when I started gardening, I spent a lot of time thinking about how I was allowing toxins into my life. And I was growing my own food, which really eliminated. I stopped eating any kind of processed food. I am not a no sugar advocate or like, you know, fighter. I think if you can get the mass majority of the preservatives out of your life and you cook things at home from organic ingredients, sugar on a fairly mundane level should not be too big of a problem for most people. It never was in the 1950s, it never was prior to preservatives. I mean, people's food intake was very different then. There wasn't all these preservatives and all these toxins in our food. And I believe that the preservatives that they're putting in their food, in people's food, is what is contributing to the mass amounts of diabetes and weight gain and heart disease and so on and so forth. I don't see it as a necessarily an overeating problem, although some people do have overeating problems. But point is, you want to cut all preservatives. That means anything that comes in a box pre-made, do not buy it. You want whole foods only. And this is super, super important. And after I had done this with my diet, and I felt so much better, I was gardening a lot and I was thinking about other ways to eliminate toxins in my life. And there's two other ways. One is the toxins that you're using in your beauty products, your soap, your shampoo, your lotions, if you use shave creams or any of that kind of stuff, your toothpaste, all of those things. Those are all ridden with preservatives and toxins. Go pull out any of those items out of your bathroom and research them online. Research the ingredients. The ingredients are listed right on the package. And those are just the ingredients that we know about. I really kind of wonder if they're not putting ingredients that we don't know about, because their ethics in putting preservatives in food have become so bad that it would not surprise me in any way, shape, or form if we found out, oh, well, they didn't list 15 other chemicals. But we'll assume that they're being ethical, right? Anyway, so I'm doing all this gardening and I'm thinking about how to eliminate all these toxins in my life. And I started making my own products, my soaps. I have shea butter soap, I have tallow soap, and I have palm oil soap. I have one palm oil soap, and I don't know if I'm going to do more. I particularly like the shea butter soap and the tallow soap the best. But palm is a little less expensive, although you have to be really careful about where you source the ingredients because it's not necessarily an ethical method of getting palm oil. So there's that you have to think about. But no colors. Any of the colors in our soap are 100% natural. So they're not, you won't find any blues, greens, pinks, purples. We don't have anything like that. We do have, all of our soaps are very mundane colors. This is a white or cream color, actually. browns, those kinds of things. You know, there's an orange. These are little half bars of oatmeal turmeric. Those are on the website. Anyway, the point is, oh my God, I'm dropping them everywhere. Point is, you do not want dyes, and you do not want scents. Scents are also chemicals. And even though it's really nice to pick up a bar of soap and smell it and go, oh, I love this. It's great, but it's not good for you. It's not good to be breathing. It's not good to be using on your skin. So I don't recommend any dyes, and I don't recommend any scents. As far as other products, like we make roll-on perfumes made with 100% pure essential oils, all organic. We have face masks. I love these face masks, or facial scrubs. We do facial scrubs, which is this one, and we do face masks. And one of these little small 1 ounce face scrubs, you'll get probably 5, 8 maybe, depending on how much you use of the scrub, out of one jar, out of a 1 ounce. We sell everything in these little small containers, which are sample containers. So, because they're non-refundable, I mean, we couldn't do a refund program any more than a grocery store can on a tube of toothpaste. But you can get small ones. So you can try them. If you like them, then you can buy them. Or buy larger sizes. We also do like shave soaps for men, all natural. We do tinctures. This is actually an infused oil. We do infused oils as well. If you want to make your own products, you can do that. You can do the research, formulate the recipes, and you have to be willing to put in the money that you're going to need for buying supplies. Most of our supplies are big quantities. If you're making your own, then you're probably going to need big quantities. But if you have the time or you have the inclination and you want to make your own products, you can do that. We started making them for ourselves, and we started selling them for other people who don't have the time. If you do not have the time to be making your deodorant, your face lotion, your body scrub, your tinctures, then you can get them from us. We also do hair oil. I love hair oil. I use hair oil in place of conditioner. I don't use conditioner, just because hair oil pretty much takes care of it. I put a little bit of this on my scalp at night, sleep with it in, rinse it out, wash it out in the morning when I take my shower. That's all I need. What else? We've got deodorants. We have cuticle cream. I'll tell you, I was having all kinds of problems with my nails, toenails, fingernails, and I thought, oh, it's just an age thing, just getting old. And I started using cuticle cream, making cuticle cream and using it. And I do it probably every couple days. I am shocked at how much better my nails and my toenails are just from that. And I have used ones from, the store that have chemicals in them in the past, and they didn't do that. I didn't have that kind of success. We also do drawing salve, which is a handy thing to have on hand. It lasts about a year. we do all of these are salves. So we have calendula salve. That's another drawing salve. Anyway, we have calendula. We have arnica. This is calendula. We have arnica. We have comfrey. We have plantain. We're going to have a bunch more in the future. Lip balms. We do lip balms. We also do tea lights. These are 100% soy, no scent. Plain tea lights with zinc wick. These are infused tea lights, so they have essential oil as a scent, very light, and herb, natural herbs, so like lavender buds or rose buds, calendula. What else? I don't know. I can't think right at the moment. And then we also make these little guys, which are little, they're a little bit bigger than a tea light. They're probably about the content of like 3, maybe 4 tea lights, and they do have scent and they do have herbs. And then we also do a bunch of 100% natural soy wax melts. They have herbs, they have essential oils, and you just put them in a little wax melt burner and burn them. We also carry burners. We also do these guys, bath salts. We have bath salts, we have foot scrub, we have foot balms, which is to die for. Like, if you have dry, cracked feet, you just put this little balm on. It comes in a little container, kind of like a lipstick or a deodorant container, only a little smaller. And you just rub it on your feet, and it's beautiful. Wake up in the morning, your feet are nice and soft. And we do massage and body oils. These guys are massage and body oils. You can use them for massage. You can use them after a shower. I like to use them at the end of a shower. So like right before I dry off, I like to put them on as a lotion type thing. We also make tallow balm, which is a lotion that is fabulous. Anyway, we have tons of stuff. We have tons of stuff that's coming. We sell it at mysticmoonshop.com. mysticmoonshop.com. And I'll put the link below so you can go and see what we have. And I highly recommend doing samples. You can get, sample packs. We have sample packs of all of our balms. So you can get like a 3-pack of samples, or you can get a 5-pack of samples. You can get all kinds of stuff. And soon we'll be putting together kits. So like shave kits, shaving cream, lotion, whatever. Whatever I can put in these kits. I don't really know yet. We'll have hair kits. We'll have different soaps. We'll have like gift sets that you can try in smaller amounts. I think that's it. Soaps, balms, salves, lip balms. We have so much stuff, you guys. Anyway, it's an easy way to get toxins out of your beauty products. Oh yeah, we also do shampoo. But if for some reason you want to make them yourself, I highly recommend you do just that. If you have time, like I said, and you don't mind spending the money to purchase the ingredients, you will save so much money from buying store-bought, and you will love the results, and your body will be less toxic and you'll have less problems. A lot of skin issues, a lot of nail issues, once you stop intaking all those chemicals and you start using natural products, suddenly you don't have problems. It's kind of cool how that happens. So I highly recommend it, whether you buy it from us or you make it yourself. It's up to you, but just do it. Thanks for watching.